Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up Shopify's buy one, get one discount. So all you have to do is head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on discounts and we're going to start by creating a discount. And from the discount types, we're just going to choose buy X, get Y. From here, you have an option that this promo or discount is only available once a customer entered a discount code or an automatic discount. So we're just going to name this buy one, take one. Then next, this is the crucial part because you're going to set up the product that will be set up for the buy one take one discount. So we're going to start with customer buys. So from here, just select minimum quantity of items. So since this is a buy one get one discount, we're going to enter one and any items from specific products. So from here, just search or browse the specific product and we're just going to pick the sample product that I created. So if a customer get this product for this certain price, and from here the customer gets, so we're going to add the quantity one for this to be buy one take one or buy one get one. Then browse the product that they will get for free. So we're going to choose free product. And now, when the customer purchased this specific product, they will get this another product. And in this customer gets section, a discounted value, we're going to change this from percentage to free. You also have an option to set a maximum number of uses per order. And next, you can also add in active dates for this promo. Then once done, just head over and click on Save Discount. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!